Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to give you a little room tour of our hotel here in Tokyo, Japan. So as soon as you walk in, to your right you have this super cool little closet. It lights up as soon as you open it. I have no idea what these things are for. If you guys know, please let me know. But you have here some robes, little luggage stand. They even give you like a spray if you want to iron any clothes. So pretty cool. I gotta say, the technology here is pretty good. And then to your left, you have your toilet. Pretty cool toilet system. Definitely not something you see in the US. Huge toilet seat. I don't know if you guys can notice the size, but it's huge. And then here you have a whole lot of options. I mean, there's even here it says massage. I don't know what this toilet is gonna massage, but we about to find out. So yeah, this is our little toilet room. And then you have these cool doors that close by itself. Then over here you have your vanity, a little seat there, towels, everything you could think of, razors, hair dryer. Then here, more shelving space and a little mini fridge. And they leave in there 2 water bottles, which are complimentary. On the left, you have your shower. So this is literally like a walk-in and that's it, your shower is right here. So this whole thing is technically the shower. It's almost like what they call a wet room. So it's a shower here, and then you have your jacuzzi or tub. I don't know if I don't think it's a jacuzzi, it's more just like a tub. But it does have this, so I don't know. And then continuing on to the bed. So this is the superior king room. So it is a king bed. Little TV here in the front. Little desk area. And then 2 chairs with a little table in the middle. And that's pretty cool. You can close this. Again, all the doors are self-closing, but you could close that and basically not have to really look at the bathroom area. So that's pretty cool. Pretty decent amount of space. We were just in LA and our hotel in LA was much smaller than this, so you do have decent size room. And then our view. So we are on the 13th floor, which is pretty much their highest floor because the 14 is their rooftop restaurant bar. So that is a pretty nice view. Sunset is coming down. And then if you look all the way to your left, we have the view of the Tokyo Tower over there. Right there. So we just got here, but based off initial experience, I would recommend this hotel. Everyone was super nice downstairs and welcoming, and they help you. Just make sure to have your passport ready as well when you're checking into the hotel because they will need that. Overall, pretty good experience checking in, and no complaints about the room so far. So if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave it down in the comments, and make sure to check out our Tokyo videos. So be on the lookout for that. Thank you for watching.